what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video we did a little unboxing of the new Nintendo Labo. We saw what's in the box, we did the little joystick holder. Today I am gonna put my full attention into this little guy here. This is the RC car. I have already decorated it and I will show you step by step how you can create this and decorate it the way I did. Of course you can use different colors and different things. For all those things I used the decoration kit that Nintendo sells. I didn't use anything else except glue, but everything else was from that kit. So I will guide you through step by step, and this is this is the little antenna that goes onto the console, and the joysticks go in here, and then you can play around with this. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Now we have the RC car, we have the fishing rod, the house, the motorbike, and the piano. Well, 150 to 210 minutes for the piano, 90 to 150 minutes for the motorbike. The house needs like 120 minutes to 180 minutes, 90 to 150 minutes for the rod, and the easiest one is the RC car that needs like 10 minutes. And that's what we are gonna make. Yes, I got this. This looks easy. Okay, so let's go back here. Now I need the green one. So I basically need... Oh, I got two. I'm sorry, you can go back inside. All right, I need two. I need this. Take this out very carefully. Don't throw these away because you can use them for decoration. Okay, I need this and the antenna. Don't bend them. I already did. Ah, look at this. Such a klutz. Always make sure you got the pieces the same way up as shown on screen. Okay, this is turned like this on the camera. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna fold this one first. And this one. And those two. This and like this. Now we are here on this one, and it wants me to fold this part. And the small one. I have to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now I need to fold this and that one and the other four. Oh, let's see. Well, not four, the other two. Can't even count. Well, there are four in total, so whatever. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be like this, right? And ooh, ooh, I have it without looking. Yes. Yes, there it is. Come on, go in there. But don't tear, please. Thanks. You look too expensive. Ah, I did it. It's like that, right? Let's see. This is exactly how I did it. So yeah, this is the RC card. Not card, car. RC car. Let's put it here. Let's see, do I have to do anything with this antenna? Okay. Okay, just have to fold these two parts. That's basically it. Okay, that's easy. And now I just put the antenna on the console, so the two tabs should slide neatly into the Joy-Con rails. Let's see. Low battery. Damn it. Okay. Now this is the antenna. And now let's see, the two Joy-Cons, they're supposed to go... Oh, it has a minus and a plus. So they're supposed to go... Ooh, supposed to slide in here. I mean, if you use the instructions, you can't really fuck this up, so... Let's see, I did this correct, right? I think I have to push a little more. Okay. All right, now let's see what do we have in this little box. One washi tape, another washi tape, and stickers. Okay. So let's see, what stickers do we have here? So we have these stickers, we have, are those stickers? Oh, I guess those are numbers so you can color on top of them. You just put them like this and then you can color them. And, ooh, eyes! So this is what you get. You get this washi tape. Two washi tapes, one looks like this. And the other one looks like this. And you get those 4 sheets. I'm only going to use the ones that come in this kit so that you can see what I'm going to create with those. Now here's the cute car. Now let's see, what can we do? I want eyes, of course. What eyes should I take? Like these ones. Oh, ah, shit. No! Wrong side. This is the front side. No, they're not straight. See, like if you have a kid that plays with this thing, it needs parental assistance. But my mommy is not here right now, so I have to do it myself. I have no idea what I'm doing. Wait, I don't like this. I should have a plan. Ah, come on. You have to be also careful how to remove them if you mess up like I do. I'm gonna put them on the side. Yeah, like this. Let's use some stickers. Yeah, so that everyone knows where the blue one goes and where the red one goes, including me. I'm just gonna put it like this here. So you put it like this. You can also use some tape to hold it in place. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm a professional, and if I fuck up, it's all on me. So you can laugh at me in the comments. Thanks. Okay, you can laugh at the comments. I mean, I would laugh at myself in the comment section, so feel free to. I wanted something. Yes, that's perfect to cover up my mistake at the star. Yes. Perfect. Oh my god. I'm gonna cut out these two here. Alright, I'm just gonna remove some stickers from here. This is so cool. I hope you liked this little video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun building this and playing with it. It's really cool. And I will do another video with, I don't know which one, but I just pick one and then put it together and decorate it. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that little bell so that you will get notifications of my upcoming videos. And I will see you next time. Bye guys!